Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we of course have a little more news about how Windows 10 updates are going to be in the near future now. In Windows 11, the beta insiders yesterday received a Windows 11 that is split into two builds, and one is to test also enablement packages, which is a way to update Windows without having a huge reinstall like we used to have. And if you guys been on Windows 10 for a long time, remember those dreadful 2 times a year huge updates that were pretty crazy to install. That is over, and that we pretty much knew was over for a while now. Right now, our Windows version, the latest Windows version that we have is Windows 10 21H2, and this is what we have as a update, as the latest feature update, which came as a small cumulative update. And that is going to continue. They were saying that Windows 10's future is in what they call enablement packages. That means small cumulative updates that will maybe not add new features, and that will just bump up the build number to something new. So for example, we're at 21H2. We'll be moving to 22H2 this fall. It's a thing that now we are sure of because of some of the underlying code in the latest updates. And of course, the build number, which we have 19044, will probably move on to 19045. That would be my guess in 22H2. Once again, all the builds will all have the same updates. So that means that whatever is still active is going to get an update with 21H2. Right now, 21H1, 21H2 are the two consumer versions that are actually working. And two things are going to happen. 21H1, which is from last year at the early 2021, is actually going to expire this fall. It's going to have its 18 months cycle. So 21H1 users start thinking about moving to 21H2 at least. 21H2, which is the build now, is of course supported until the month of June of 2023. Now, I always get every time I say this, wait, Windows 10 is until 2025. You're wrong. No, you're going to 2025 as long as you follow the updates. If you don't follow the updates, you're not. So that's why you need to follow the updates. So we'll get 22H2, which we'll have this fall, and that should be good until June of 2024. So that gives you an idea. That will give you a update that's available that works for the security updates and so on until June of 2024. It will be a small cumulative update that won't take too long to install, and we don't even know if there's going to be a new feature in there or not. So that's another indication that we've entered mainstream Windows 10, and that's pretty much the future of Windows 10 right now. So just stay there, hang on, and I think we can just say we'll enjoy a smoother ride than when we had these really big feature updates back in the first versions of Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.